Whānau, we've come to the pinnacle of our evening. Whai ora are very impressed, and we should be impressed too as a whānau, is that this year was a record amount of nominations put forward for our people. So we can all be very, very pleased and proud of our efforts, of what's happened on the sporting fields, courts, in the arenas, so forth. If I could ask all of our category winners to please come forward and take the stage, and I'll ask Matua Mike to come forward and present our trophy.
Ka pai, kia ora tātou. I'm not surprised at all that many of our whānau have been able to reach the highest levels in their sporting pursuits, because we descend from greatness. The people in our whakapapa were awesome people. Ua Te Awha was a warrior of the Ngāti Kahungunu people who descended from Rangi Hakahaka and Ngāti Kahungunu. He was an expert in the field of weaponry. He was a master navigator, and many of our whānau up here on the stage descend from that ancestor. Tamahau te rangi whakaewa was a rangitane ancestor who was also a master in the wakaama. He was also a master of weaponry. Many of the people on the stage descend from Tamahau te rangi whakaewa. Tamahau te rangi whakaewa married Hinerangi, who was a beautiful Māori sportswoman, much like the beautiful Māori sportswoman you see on stage. She was from Hurunui o Rangi. Hine Te Arorangi was also a beautiful Māori sportswoman. She was a leader of her people. And I'm sure some of the beautiful Māori sportswomen you see here tonight will go on to be leaders of their people as well. I congratulate you all of those who were nominated, and of course all of those who are standing here right now. It gives me great pleasure to announce 2017 Taumata Hākinakina, Wairarapa Maori sports person. Need to do a course on how to open envelopes. The winner and 2017 Wairarapa Taumata Hākinakina, Levi Harmon.
Now you got to start, Levi. Now you got to do a proper speech.
Thanks again for this one. I'm not very good at speeches, so I'll just say thanks to everybody and all the support that I get here from back home, and my Uncle Millie, and yeah, just all my family, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, this is the overall award from all the finalists, and yeah, so it's the big award. Yeah. It's pretty unreal, eh? Like, I wasn't expecting this one. Maybe the first one, but not this one. So it's a good feeling.
Have a Merry Christmas, everybody. It's coming to the busy season, so be safe, be with your whānau, have fun. And we will look forward to all of your very early nominations 2018. Kia ora. I'll hand the time over now to Matua to close our evening.